so excited. This morning we are installing an automatic Coop door. You don't know what a difference this is going to make to life and the school run and all of those times where you just can't get back in time. Run Chicken have sent us one to try out and to give a review. So Caleb's just installing it now.
We're gonna stick it right here.
In my quest to find the perfect Coop door for our homestead, there were certain criteria I needed it to meet. It had to be quick and easy to install, it had to be reliable in all kinds of weather, and it had to be affordable. And right from the start, I think that Run Chicken is on point. We've had our door for about 2 months now, and it has been a game changer. We absolutely love it. But what I love more is the story behind this brand. So Run Chicken was started by a young man from Slovenia with an engineering mind and a vision. And being from a developing country, he is someone who has learned to look beyond what already exists, being able to bring process and innovation together to solve a problem. And this is something that immediately struck a chord with me, and something that I think that every homesteader can relate to. I was even more fascinated to learn that this elegant and robustly designed Coop door was inspired from what started out as repurposing scrap metal from a junk pile. Some other things that you might want to know is that, firstly, it's battery operated, so it will actually operate efficiently on 2 AA batteries alone, which means no wires, and it will operate the door for a whole year. And secondly, because of its locking mechanism inside, the chickens are fully protected from predators. No crafty critters can force it open. Thirdly, if you're like me, it means no more waking up in a panic at sundown or when you're not there in time to tuck your birds in for the night. And we love it so much that we've actually ordered more for the duck house and the rooster coop that we're building. I can't wait for them to arrive. Now, if you're a tech person, you're going to love the technology inside this door. So first up, the device contains a light sensor. So if you just install it as it comes, then the Coop door will open 20 minutes after sunrise and close 20 minutes after sunset in the evening. It has a green light that shows when it's opening and a red light that shows when it's closing, and a blue light to let you know that it's getting ready to open or close. There's also a manual override button that you can use if you happen to be around and want to open or close the door. But here is the fun part. You can actually not only program it to open and close at a specific time that you set, but you can also program it to control via your mobile or laptop. Run Chicken have a great installation guide and tutorial video, which I will link in the description box below, and there is a code there which you can use to get a discount. Now, I think I'll go in and put my feet up and let the door do its job.